This video is associated by Aroma Das astrologer. Respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak about Mithila Shaktipeeth, one of the most sacred and revered places of worship in Hinduism. According to the ancient legend of the Shaktipeethas, when goddess Sati sacrificed herself at Daksha's Yajna, Lord Shiva was filled with grief and carried her lifeless body across the universe. To calm him, Lord Vishnu released his Sudarshan Chakra, which cut Sati's body into 51 parts. Wherever these body parts fell, temples or holy places known as Shaktipeethas were established. Mithila Shaktipeeth is one such divine place. It is believed that goddess Sati's left shoulder fell here. Therefore, the goddess is worshipped here as Mahadevi or Uma, and Lord Shiva is worshipped as Mahodar. Though the exact date of its establishment is lost in antiquity, devotees believe it has existed since the time of the Puranas and is one of the most important Shaktipeethas described in ancient texts. People say that visiting this sacred site fulfills desires, removes obstacles, and grants blessings of both strength and peace. Devotees bring offerings such as flowers, red cloth, sindoor, vermilion, fruits, sweets, and incense sticks during worship. Among all the colors, red is considered most auspicious, as it symbolizes power, energy, and devotion to the mother goddess. The faith of the people is so strong that many stories are told about miraculous experiences, blessings in times of hardship, and the unbreakable bond between the goddess and her devotees. In conclusion, Mithila Shaktipeeth is not just a place of worship, but also a place of cultural pride, devotion, and spiritual power. It reminds us of the eternal energy of the Divine Mother, who protects and blesses her children. In the legend of the Shaktipeethas, the whole incident is already described as supernatural or dreamlike. When goddess Sati gave up her life, Lord Shiva was struck with unbearable sorrow. He lifted her body on his shoulders and started wandering the universe in grief. At that time, something very unnatural happened. The earth began to tremble. The balance of creation was disturbed. Gods and sages feared that Lord Shiva's sorrow would destroy the world. To restore balance, Lord Vishnu used his Sudarshan Chakra. With it, Sati's body was cut into pieces. Wherever those body parts fell, a Shaktipeeth appeared. Now, in the case of Mithila Shaktipeeth, it is believed that Sati's left shoulder fell there. Many devotees describe this as an almost dreamlike vision, as if the goddess herself chose that land for her eternal presence. Even today, some people say that during meditation or in dreams, the goddess appears and blesses devotees, giving them signs of protection and answers to their prayers. The temple is often associated with Janakpur Dham in Nepal, the birthplace of goddess Sita. She is usually depicted with 4 arms. One holding a trident, Trishul, to destroy evil. One holding a lotus, symbol of purity and creation. One hand carrying a sword, showing courage and justice. One hand in Abhay Mudra, gesture of protection, blessing her devotees. In her most fearful form, when angered, some believe she has 10 or more arms, each holding different divine weapons. She is adorned with golden jewelry, garlands of red hibiscus flowers, and a crown shining with gems. Her forehead bears a bright red tilak or sindoor. Around her neck, she sometimes wears a garland of skulls or flames in her destructive form, representing the end of negativity. If you need an astrologer today, MST astrologer Aroma Das immediately on her email ID on screen. Take pocket-friendly prediction by date of birth only.